All right, everybody, this year is flying by. It's already July. You know what that means? That means it's the third quarter, which means you probably need to test for bacteria again if you're on well water. Of course, we recommend that you test at least quarterly for bacteria. If it were me, I would test every other month, but at least quarterly gets you fairly well dialed in. And you can head to safehometestkits.com and buy one of these for $14.99, or we have multi-packs that have discounts, right? You can get a 2-pack, a 4-pack, and so you'll get a little bit of a discount on each of those individually. And one of the things that I want you to kind of think about as far as bacteria testing is concerned is that it serves a lot of purposes, not the least of which is acting as the canary in the coal mine, right? Because usually, I shouldn't say usually, occasionally, oftentimes, let's say, if you get a positive bacteria result, then there's a chance there might be something else going on, right? There's a reason that bacteria is in there. Is it runoff, maybe from a surrounding farm field? And then what else is that runoff carrying with it? Nitrates, potentially maybe herbicides, pesticides, right? Those synthetic organics. If you test and you get a positive result for that, you're going to want to disinfect. We've got you covered there as well, because we've got instructions on how to disinfect on our blog on safehometestkits.com. And so you'll certainly want to disinfect, and you can start digging in just a little bit and then move into lab testing should you feel like you need even more information. So bacteria, it's July, safehometestkits.com. Test your well water for bacteria. Test your well water for bacteria. safehometestkits.com. What do we say? Because everybody deserves a simple way to learn about their water.